Not everyone who smiles at you is happy for you. Some people secretly envy you. And the scary part is, they may not even hate you. But every time you succeed, look confident, get attention, or grow emotionally, they feel uncomfortable inside. And psychology shows envy often hides itself in subtle behavior. So here are 8 signs someone secretly envies you. Sign 1. They downplay your success. When something good happens to you, they react dryly. No excitement, no genuine happiness. They may even change the topic quickly because your success reminds them of what they lack. Sign 2. They copy you quietly. People who envy you often study you secretly. They copy your style, your words, your behavior, even your interests, but rarely give you credit. Envy often imitates before it attacks. Sign 3. They secretly enjoy your failures. One of the darkest signs, they become strangely happier when things go wrong for you. They may pretend to comfort you, but internally, your failure gives them relief. Sign 4. They compete with you constantly. Everything becomes competition. You mention an achievement, they immediately mention theirs. You buy something, they suddenly need something bigger. Envious people struggle to let others shine peacefully. Sign 5. They give backhanded compliments. They say things like, "You're lucky. I wish life was that easy for me. You actually look good today." It sounds like a compliment, but something feels emotionally off. That's passive envy. Sign 6. They disappear when you're winning. Notice this carefully. Some people only feel comfortable around you when you're struggling, but once you start improving, they become distant because your growth triggers their insecurity. Sign 7. They watch you quietly. Envious people observe you a lot. They stalk quietly. They monitor your progress. They pay attention to your life more than supportive people do, because emotionally, they compare themselves to you constantly. Sign 8. Your presence makes them uncomfortable. Sometimes, you've done absolutely nothing wrong, but certain people become tense around you. That's because confidence, growth, or authenticity can trigger hidden insecurity in others. And people often resent qualities they wish they had themselves. If this video felt accurate, then you've probably experienced hidden envy before. Comment below which signs stood out the most. And subscribe to Psychology Explained for more videos about human behavior, dark psychology, emotional intelligence, and the hidden psychology behind people.